What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, I'm Kaylan. I'm 25 and I film a lot of fashion, lifestyle, and productivity content. And welcome to a productive Sunday vlog, a little, Sunday reset. So it's actually a little bit later in the day. It is 1:03 right now. So we are starting this, productive vlog a little bit later in the day, but that is totally fine. I feel like if I start my day past 10:30, I feel like the day is already wasted, which is so dumb because I still have 8 hours of my day. But I just feel like if I start my day around 1 o'clock, it's oh man, the day is already wasted, it's too late. But we're gonna have a really productive day even though we're starting it a little bit later. Last week was actually my 25th birthday and my boyfriend and I's anniversary, so I feel like for the past week and a half I've really been out of a routine. So today I just kind of want to get everything together. We're gonna go to the grocery store, do some cleaning, do some laundry, some planning and budgeting, and just really set ourselves up to have a good week ahead. So I love Sundays. I love just kind of getting everything together to really have a good week. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe down below if you are new here. It really does help my channel. I also got a new camera for my birthday, so if you guys have watched my videos, you guys can probably tell the quality I'm sure is different, the audio is different. So I was using the Canon G7X Mark II and I love that camera, but it was just really old and the screen on it was actually falling off. So I recently just got the Sony ZV-1 and it is so nice, but the only thing is that the screen actually flips out to the side, whereas the Canon flipped up. So I would look at myself basically the entire time I was talking and it just looked like I was talking into the camera. But now if I look at the screen, I look to the side. If you guys see me looking to the side, I'm trying to get used to just looking in the camera, but this is actually my first video filming with this. So I'm still trying to get used to the side screen. Comment down below if you guys can notice a difference in the quality because this camera is so nice. I love it. I'm just still trying to figure out how to use this. Anyways, before we go, I'll give you guys a little outfit of the day. So I just put on my Twin Flames hoodie. I don't really wear this one as often, but I love it. It's just so cozy. And then the back of it has the Matchbox on it. So I just have this hoodie on, and then I also have on these sweatpants. I don't know if you guys can really see them. They're a little bit wrinkly, but they're from Brandy and Melville. Then I also have on these gold hoops, and then I just have this little lock necklace that I wear every day. I get a lot of questions on this. This is actually from CNC Luxury. I'll link it down below for you guys, but it's just a little lock necklace and it has a D on it. So this is my outfit of the day. Nothing too crazy, but Sundays are for being comfy, not cute, and we're definitely very comfy. So the last thing that I need to do is put on a little bit of perfume, and Dossier actually gifted me some perfume to show you guys, and they actually gave me a discount code. So basically what Dossier does is they reproduce high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the cost. So this is what the packaging looks like. It says iconic scents, designer quality, no markup. So all of their scents on their website are actually $39, and all of them are inspired by, like I said, high-end luxury brands. The two that I got, I picked up Ambery Vanilla, and this one's actually inspired by YSL's Black Opium. I've never really tried a high-end luxury perfume, so I can't really, speak to how closely this smells to YSL's Black Opium, but it does smell really good. So I actually got Devin one because he uses the high-end luxury colognes. He loves Chanel's Bleu de Chanel, except it is literally $120 for a bottle. So this one is citrus ginger. This one is actually inspired by Chanel's Bleu de Chanel. And because he actually does use the cologne that this was inspired by, I can say that this one smells very similar. So these are the two that they sent over, the Ambery Vanilla and the Citrus Ginger. I will have a link down below for you guys to check it out in case you guys do want to check out Dossier. You guys can also use code Kaylan10 for 10% off your purchase at Dossier. I'll put it on the screen right here, and I'll also have it down below too. But like I said, if you guys are looking to try some luxury high-end scents, but you don't want to spend the money, because I know I don't, definitely check them out. All of their scents are $39 and they're always adding new scents to their collections. Okay, so I think the first thing that we're gonna do is actually go to the grocery store, because I typically like to just do all my errands outside of the house first, so that way obviously when I'm back home I can just stay home. So we're gonna go to the grocery store, pick up some groceries, get some stuff for juice. Obviously I'll show you guys what I got, but yeah, happy Sunday. We're gonna get a lot of stuff done today, even though we're starting off the vlog late. Remember, even though you start your day late, it doesn't mean a day's wasted. You can still be really productive, even if you guys are starting it, midway through the day like I am. So happy Sunday. It's gonna be a good day, and let's go to the grocery store. Guess what? Mommy's gonna make you your food today.
Get that out for her eye, please.
Mommy's gonna make you your food today for the week. Are you so excited? I am back from the grocery store. I'm gonna give you guys a little grocery haul. It's not too much just because we actually went to the store like 2 days ago, but just wanted to get some things for some juices for the week and then a few things for dinner. So we both needed bread. So Devin actually likes frozen bread. So this is his favorite. It's the Food for Life 7 sprouted grains. And then I just like regular bread. So this is the Dave's Killer thin sliced like good seed bread. We have some strawberries for breakfast or just like snacks for the week. We have some spinach. So I've actually been loving like homemade green smoothies. So I've been eating a lot of spinach in those. We have a lot of kale for juicing. So one of the juices that I want to make is a homemade kale tonic from First Watch. Like I want to recreate it. So we have a lot of kale for that. We just have some more veggies for juicing. So we have celery, carrots, and then Devin loves tomatoes with his breakfast. So he just like slices these and puts pepper on them with his breakfast in the morning. So we have some tomatoes. I picked up some matzo crackers. So these are pretty much just like plain crackers, but the really nice thing about these are the ingredients. So the only ingredients are unbleached wheat flour, water, and salt, which is really, really nice. So if you're looking for a good clean cracker, I highly recommend these. Then we have some Simple Truth Organic kosher dill pickles. We just like these with our lunch, just like have on the side. And then the last thing I picked up are just some things for homemade pizza night. So we obviously have some pepperonis. This is like our all-time favorite homemade pizza crust. These are so good. The ingredients aren't the best, but they're definitely better than a lot of other brands. So we got those. And then we got some Simple Truth Organic pizza sauce to put obviously on the crust with some cheese and some pepperonis. I'm going to put all of this away so that way we can wash our veggies and start doing a little bit of juicing. Okay, so I just washed and cut up all the veggies ready for juicing. I am so excited, you guys. This is only my second time juicing, and the first time Devin and I just kind of like played around with it. We only made 1 cup of juice, so this is like my first official time juice prepping for the week. So I'm gonna try to make 2 juices for this week. I wanna make the kale tonic, which is at First Watch. So it's kale, celery, apples, and lemon, and cucumber. And then I wanna make a carrot juice. So I wanna do like carrots, ginger, lemon, like kind of like an orange juice and a green juice. We'll see how they turn out. Honestly, they may be terrible, but we're gonna try it, see how it goes. I'll show you guys what I have laid out for them. So this is what we have so far for the juices. I think I'm probably gonna need more. Juicing takes a lot more veggies than you would think, but we have kale, celery, carrots. These I just washed. These are not going in the juice, but this was my first time soaking strawberries, and you guys, the water was so brown. After my last Sunday reset, a few of you guys told me to soak my fruits just because they are so dirty, and I typically just like spray them and wash them off, but I could not believe how much came off of them. So if you guys don't already, definitely make sure to soak your fruits. So thank you guys so much who commented and told me to soak them, because that was disgusting. This is the juicer that I have. Devin's mom actually got this for me for my birthday. So it is the Breville Compact Juicer. It is huge, but it's actually small for a juicer. So you just put in the veggies up here, and then it just like gets all the juice out of here and then puts it into the pitcher here. So let's start juicing. I'm excited. We're gonna first start with the kale tonic. done. I did not make any celery juice. I ended up just making these two, but this one is the kale tonic, and then this one is a carrot juice, and this one has carrots, apples, lemons, and ginger in it. This one's actually really, really good. It might be my favorite, but we have 6 juices for the week, and then these ones will probably end up making 2 or 3 like glasses of juice just because we like to put ice in them. So I'm gonna put these away, and then I'm going to just do a little bit of cleaning. This video is taking me so much longer than I thought. I feel like I haven't even done anything, and it is 5 o'clock. So like I said in the beginning, I got the camera. It's the Sony ZV-1, and I love it, but the one thing that people warned me about was the battery life. They said the battery only lasts like 45 minutes, and my Canon one can last like an hour and a half to 2 hours, so basically double the time, and it came with 2 batteries. This one only came with 1 battery. It lasts like 45 minutes, and it takes hours to charge. So I've literally like had to film something, put it on the charger for like 10 minutes, and then keep filming. So I'm so sorry if this video is like a little bit everywhere. I did order some more batteries on Amazon to kind of eliminate this problem, so that way I'll have some backup batteries. So I'm gonna go do a little bit of cleaning. I'll try to get as much footage as I can. We're gonna clean, then go upstairs and budget. But yeah, first I just need to get this place together because it needs a good wipe down. Desk is all nice and cleaned and sanitized. I did not realize how many water bottles and coffee cups that I had on here, so feels so much better. I also sanitized my keyboard and mouse, and then just like got all of like the drink rings off my desk, but much better. Okay, so I did all of that. I cleaned my desk. I got it all ready for tomorrow, and then I completely forgot that I still need to do my budget. So if you guys have a budget, I really encourage you guys to update it weekly, just so that way you can kind of see where you're at for the month, how much money you've already spent, because I have a really bad habit of not checking it until the end of the month, and then I'm like, oh wow, I spent a lot of money. But it definitely could have been prevented if I would have just, you know, looked at my budget. So I'm gonna go ahead and update my budget. Okay, so budget is done, you guys. I thought I was doing so good this month, but I'm actually over my coffee budget already. It's July 10th. I am over my gifts budget by about $230, but it is fine. This is why we check it weekly and not monthly. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to be more intentional with my spending. I'm doing pretty good on miscellaneous spending, but as far as coffee goes, I'm just gonna really have to like try to make coffee at home, which is totally fine because Devin actually got me a cappuccino maker and I love it. So anyways, yeah, budget is done. It is 7:30 already. I know I told you guys I wanted to get this stuff done in a few hours, but I was not expecting to have the issues with my camera and the battery like this. So yeah, I feel like this video is not that great, and I have so much anxiety about it because it's due tomorrow. And so it's kind of got to work because I still have to edit it tonight so that way I can get it up tomorrow for you guys. I'm actually gonna go do my skincare routine. I want to start like really taking Sundays for self-care too, not just cleaning. So I'm going to go wash my face. We're gonna do a little face mask, do a little reading. And I feel like that's the perfect way to wind down the night. All right, you guys, I look crazy, but I think I'm actually going to wrap up the vlog here just because I'm just gonna have my mask on. I'm gonna be reading and we're really just kind of relaxing for the rest of the night. It's so weird like laying in bed reading, but like it's like 8:30, but it's still like super bright out. So I feel like I'm like in bed at 5 o'clock. Also, my camera is about to die, so I only have a quick second, but I just want to say if you guys made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe down below if you guys are new here. Give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help out my channel a lot, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.